I'ma head out then.
Keep going. Put my kids in Givenchy. She must ain't 1 + 1 is 3. I can't support your person.
Come on, man. Alright, how are you? Alright.
Kevin, them cars be leased. Youngers in charge, I speak for the streets. I was gnawed and gnawed. They woke up a beast. Struggle what made me. We used to have water for dinner. We didn't have money.
I follow you. I follow you. Nice to meet you, bro. How you doing, man?
I'm the biggest. Why did they get them killed? That shit hurt my wrist.
What do you want, low?
Yeah,
you got low?
I got
low. Let me see what I can get. Alright. We'll try this one first. Okay, and then I'll go to another song.
We the best music.
Another one.
DJ Khaled.
Spent $1 million on my check, it's 3 years ago. At 2 zeros for the one, I'm in a different mode. It's my life, do what I wanna be with different hoes. You know the pick and roll, I can't represent.
Trinity audio.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Swing your arms left and right like you tryna start up a fight. I can't mess around with them squares, you know I gotta keep my circle tight. That man inside.
For the month.
Wipe it down, wipe it down, wipe it down, wipe it down, won't you wipe it down, won't you wipe it down,
What can
they find you at just in case they want to follow you?
Okay, right there.
Yeah, Team Breakfast Taco.
Yep.
Yes, sir. John Pittman. Y'all be sure to give him a follow, man. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, thanks,
man.
man.
I hope I see you up at Daily Hurts, man.
Oh, I live 15 minutes away from you.
So you'll be there once.
Yes, I will.
I see you there, man.
Hopefully.
Yeah. You know, we all gotta wait and see if it rains out.
Yeah.
But you know, we'll come anyway.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, brother. Yeah. Get some pictures tonight.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.